My dear viewers, I recently found out that I ignored a few months of comments on Instagram. I literally thought no one was commenting. I found a way to see my past comments on Instagram. However, I am looking for a way to see other people's comments on my Instagram videos. I can go to my app, click on one of my own videos, then click on a picture of a comment, then look at the comments. The other way is to look up your Instagram account on an old-fashioned browser on an old-fashioned computer screen. You can go to your Instagram account on an old-fashioned computer screen. You can then click on notifications on the left. You can then Control F the word commented. The records do not go back too far. You might have to do this every day if you really want to stay on top of things. However, it is the best thing I can find. It is better than nothing. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.